Milk frother, EPILANS automatic electric milk steamer and frother, stainless steel coffee milk heater, hot and cold steamed milk foam warmer for coffee, cappuccino, latte, hot chocolate, mocha, white. Make tasty foamy topped coffee at home. EPILANS milk frother can brew frothed milk in just 1 to 2 minutes, producing a smooth and consistent texture. Savor your favorite coffee drinks with a luxurious layer of foam, all in the comfort of your own home. 3 Silky Froth Textures Our versatile electric milk steamer turns up to 5 ounces, 150 milliliters of milk into warm dense milk froth, warm airy milk froth, or cold milk froth, handling various coffee beverage recipes at a simple press of a button. Enjoy café-style beverages such as cappuccinos, lattes, hot chocolates or iced coffees. Milk heating function takes only 2 minutes to warm up to 10 ounces, 300 milliliters of milk to the perfect consistency and temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees centigrade, and allows you to get milk ready for your crying and hungry baby. Operates with minimal noise, letting you enjoy peaceful cooking with family. Please use the whisk to prevent scorching while steaming milk. Easy to clean and high quality. Our frother offers a comfortable, sturdy grip with an ergonomic handle and is easily transported and cleaned via a detachable 360 degrees swivel power base, protects you from scalding with heat-resistant PP housing, and enables quick and easy cleanup thanks to the non-stick interior of the stainless steel jug. Buy with confidence, equipped with an advanced Strix temperature controller that conforms to international safety standards. This ETL-listed milk frother will automatically switch off when your milk or froth is ready, ensuring worry-free use. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.